A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. The Vouchers Verification segment serves two purposes. First, it allows authorized staff to check the accuracy of business transactions, and second, it prevents verified vouchers from being modified or deleted. Its main interface provides a parameters region, where you enter a range of dates and specify whether you want to see unverified or verified vouchers. The date parameters receive voucher creation dates, not the voucher date. The lower region of the page displays a list of vouchers based on the selected criteria. Each voucher's detail record starts with a link column, which calls another page where an authorized person can see a complete voucher with all its details. The page carries appropriate buttons to verify and unverify the voucher being shown. Let's create this setup. The two date picker items are added to the page where users will specify a range of voucher creation dates. The purpose of using the Created on Date column is to make it easier for the verifying person to call all vouchers entered on a specific date, irrespective of the financial period. The radio group item is added to filter vouchers according to the selected criterion, unverified or verified. Once a voucher is marked as verified, it vanishes from the unverified list and can be seen only by selecting the verified option. This interactive report region is based on a select statement. Download source code from video description, open part 16 folder, you'll get the code of all files used in the video. The region refreshes when a user clicks the Get button after choosing one option from the radio group. Note that this report is based on the created on column, which means that the user will have to put a voucher creation date, not the voucher date itself, in the two date boxes. Create a link in the TRAN number column. This link will open page 95 to display the selected voucher, where you can mark it as verified and can even reverse it. The Set Items section is populated with some key values that are passed to the verification page for further processing. The main Vouchers Verification page will be created from the Voucher Details page you created in Part 14 video. The first amendment is being made on page 95 to handle the application flow when the Cancel button is clicked. When clicked, this button will turn the flow back to page 94 instead of page 42. These three buttons are no longer applicable to this segment. The first button will be displayed for vouchers that are yet to be verified. P95_voucher verified equals no. while the second one will appear for those vouchers that are already marked as verified. Since all the validations on this page relate to the voucher entry segment, they are not applicable to the verification process. Just like validations, you do not need the defined processes for this segment. As the name implies, the first process marks a voucher as verified in the transaction master table. The second one is just the opposite and is added to reverse the verification process. Once a voucher is marked as verified, normal users cannot amend or delete it unless an authorized person reverses its state to unverified. Modify the 3 default branches. Execute the following steps to test this segment, which you can invoke from the closing menu. The Vouchers Verification region will be populated with all unverified vouchers. Click the call link for a voucher to bring up page 95 with all the details of the selected voucher. The selected voucher will be marked as verified. Select the verified option from the parameters region and click Get again to have a list of all the vouchers you just verified. Select Transactions from the main menu followed by the type of voucher you just verified. The verified column on this page should now be displaying Y for all the verified vouchers. Click the edit link for a verified voucher to open its details. Note that all the buttons, except cancel and add row, have disappeared, because of the condition which says that you can hide all buttons if a voucher either is marked as verified or is an auto-generated closing voucher. In this video, you created a mechanism that not only ensures the accuracy of transactions but also prevents data manipulation. After verifying a voucher, a user can print its hard copy, which comes next. Thank you for watching the video.